Why do I come? The networking is always a huge part, right? The people that I see here, we work within the industry, nationwide, globally, and it's an opportunity to all get together and connect in a place where we're like-minded. There's a lot of great booths here that are demonstrating and showcasing new technologies, new products, systems. I feel like in commissioning, one of our duties is to stay apprised of industry developments. The panels are great because you get a lot of different perspectives. I also like the case studies. It's real experience, feedback on things that we're all trying to do in the industries. I am very much looking forward to CxEnergy 2025 in Charlotte.